What is up, Q Squad? So I'm back with another video. Yes, sadly this is my 4th video with this shirt and makeup, but I did get all of this stuff today and I'm trying to get my filming area set up. So yeah, I'm back. I am using my new camera and my ring light with the diffuser, so hopefully this looks good for you guys. But as you guys can see for the title, I am going to be showing you guys my DIY backdrop stand. So I am going to be using a clothing rack and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is the clothing rack that I'm going to be using, and I also had bought these jumbo plastic clothespins here from my local Dollar Tree to pin my backdrop to the stand. So let's just go ahead, and I'm gonna actually turn you guys around. I'm standing in like a different position in my room. I'm gonna turn you guys around and I'm gonna show you setting this up and taking my gold backdrop and putting it on the stand with the clips to just show you guys how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to put this together, but let's just get started. Got the scissors and let's open this box. I don't even know how I even packaged this, but this is the standard single rod garland rack that I purchased, and I just thought this would be a lot easier to use instead of putting holes in my wall constantly with different backdrops, because I'm not just gonna keep just my gold backdrop. This is what it looks like, and the rest of this I'm just gonna fast forward through because your girl needs some music in her life. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's just go ahead and set this up.
Wait, no. Damn it. Go ahead, this way. Stop. Let's finish all day. This one is on top of that. I don't eat Sam Bassett. I'm gonna put my brother's baby. I like hot sauce so much. I put it and I put hot sauce so much. But then she keep on second like she's here. Me my sperm worth me. The Papa Molly boy, he. do. When I like I do, I do, I do. When I like I do, I do, I do. When I like I do, I do, I do. When I like I do, I do. I didn't need to buy no more of that stuff. These don't even have letters on it, so you don't have to look in the
Keep this on the low. I want you to make it rain, 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 rain. Oh my god, so this is what it looks like. Took a minute to do. Actually, I think I have the thing wrong on that side over here. Need to fix that. But other than that, it looks good. It's actually about to storm, so yeah. I have this black piece up here wrong, so I'm gonna fix that. And I'll be right back. Okay, so my wall is bare now. Still have my shelf. So now I'm gonna show you guys with the backdrop. I'm going to pin this on here to show you guys what it looks like. Bring you guys a little bit closer. So that's it. Okay, so this is what it will look like. I'm gonna zoom it in some more. You would just have to zoom in to make sure you only see the back drop. But this is it. You can't see my little shelf, but I'm cool with it. I like it. I'd rather have this than to have it pinned to my wall, so that's that. I can always move shelf in front of it. I might actually try that out another day, but thank you guys for tuning in to my video. I hope you guys like this DIY backdrop. You guys should definitely try it because it works. My mother is staring at me, and I keep looking in the viewfinder, I mean the LCD screen. But yeah, I like it. It looks really nice. The clips helped a lot. Like the clips are like on the side, and then I have one down at the bottom, and then there's one, actually two at the top, and you just pull it so it's tight. Sorry about the lighting. My ring light is like way on the other side of my room, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. And yeah, so stay tuned to see what other backdrops I'll get and how I figure out how to do my little shelf to be in the background too. But yeah, bye guys.